So how do we know if there are no long words? Well, if there are no long words, then long word will be an empty string. So if long word dot equals the empty string, and remember we use dot equals because strings are objects, then we want to print out the message, there are no long words. Otherwise, there is a long word, and we print that out. Now if I run this, looking for words with length greater than 30, well that's interesting, it looks like there is a word with more than 30 characters. It's just joined up with a whole bunch of dashes. I bet there aren't any words longer than 60 characters though. That would just be crazy, right? Alright, looks like this time we got there are no long words.